Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to attempt to show you guys the difference between a 60Hz display like on the iPhone 11 Pro Max and a 120Hz display on the new Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Before we start, let me explain what some of the terms I'm going to be using in this video are. Hertz, represented by HZ, that is the measurement of your screen's refresh rate. Refresh rate means how many times your screen refreshes in a second. So if I say 60 Hz, it means that the screen is refreshing 60 times every second, just like the iPhone 11 Pro Max here. So every video contains so many frames, which just means so many pictures put together to form a video. If you take a screenshot of this video right now, that is one frame. That said, when I say 60 frames per second, it means that there are 60 pictures showing on the screen every second, which means that the iPhone 11 Pro Max is capable of displaying 60 pictures every second. However, the Galaxy S20 Plus can do twice of that, which means that the Galaxy S20 Plus display refreshes 2 times more than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, refresh rates and frames per second are not the same. It is possible that a display may be capable of refreshing at 120 Hz. However, the CPU and GPU, which are the processor and graphics card, are only capable of pushing 60 frames to the screen, which means a 120 Hz display can be showing only 60 frames. Take for instance, playing a heavy game on the S20 Plus. Even though the display is refreshing 120 times every second, it is possible that the CPU and GPU are not strong enough to push 120 frames every second to this 120 Hz display. So in the end, it might be pushing only 30 frames or 60 frames every second and not taking full advantage of that 120 Hz display. Refresh rate, number of times the screen refreshes every second. Frames per second, the number of frames or pictures that the CPU and GPU are pushing to the screen. Now let's leave the boring lecture room and go to the video proper. It's quite difficult, maybe even impossible, to show you what 120 Hz refresh rate looks like on camera, because to start with, I'm shooting at only 30 frames per second, and whatever display you're watching this on is likely a 60 Hz display. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to slow down parts of this video to show you how fluid, smooth, fast the S20 Plus display at 120 Hz looks like. In real life, you see the smoothness of a higher refresh rate display in everything you do, from your basic day-to-day activities on your phone or just moving through your phone, going to the menus and all that. However, they are more pronounced when you scroll and when you are playing games. So anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope I was able to show you the difference between a 120 Hz display on the S20 Plus and a 60 Hz display on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And if you're wondering what these fire cases are, this is the Ringkey Fusion X for the S20 Plus, and this is the Liquid Air from Spigen for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and even more importantly, I hope you learned something from it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.